Hey guys, so it's a new trading week. Today is Sunday. At my time, it's 5 p.m. So in couple of hours, market is going to open and trading session is going to begin. So I have some few market updates I want to share with you guys, and I believe this market is going to give a good opportunities in the market this week. So I am going to show you the whole process, but I'm not going to make this a very long video, so I just want to make a brief explanation as to what to expect in the market. This is AUDUSD. We have some other markets that we are watching out for. So as you all know, the type of trader that I am, I basically utilize the top-down analysis concept, so which entails going from higher time frame down to the lower time frame in order to gather all the necessary data, all the evidence that we need, so as to when we want to look for trading opportunities, entry signals on lower time frame, we will have enough reasons to enter either a buy or a sell. So the way we analyze, right, is basically top-down analysis, and we have some things that we watch out for. And as a matter of fact, we are also going to give you guys more explanation. The next video that is coming out in a short time, we are going to explain to you how we analyze the market using top-down analysis. Okay, but in this video I am just going to give you some brief explanation on what to expect on some few markets. Okay, so this is a USD and this is monthly time frame. So as you can see, we have a trend. Okay, we have an ongoing trend, which is a downtrend. So this means that the sellers are actually in control of the market. So they have been shorting this market since I think this is 2011. So price has been on a downtrend since 2011. So price has been on a deep downtrend. So and if you look at the trend that is available, we have this impulse and this correction, this impulse, this correction, and this impulse. So this is a very clear trend, right? So we are just going to remember that this is a monthly time frame, so we are only just trying to gather enough evidence. So if you look at what is happening on this month, you can see that we already having, I think this is, if I'm not mistaken, today is 11th of August. So we are still early on the month. Okay, so probably before the end of the month we could still see price moving to the upside. You can see that this is the current month, this bullish candle that's giving us a massive rejection from this support level. And if you guys can see what I have here, actually this is the way I do my analysis. You can see we have a monthly structure, and you can see all the ones that is tagged with this color, they are for monthly structure. And if you look at this is the weekly structure. So when I go to the weekly time frame, it's going to be much more visible, right? So now you can see that the current month, which is the month of August, we are having a very massive rejection, right? So that shows that the selling momentum that has been coming up since last month, you can see this last month, this was July. You can see this, the momentum that the market brought from beginning of July to the ending of July actually extended to this month, which is month of August. But if you look at it now, the momentum has actually is totally failing, right? As based on what we are seeing right now, you can see that the buyers have actually gained control, and I think that the reason is because price actually approached this support level. But when we get to the weekly time frame, we're going to see it more clearly. So basically, when I am on the monthly time frame, I basically just put the necessary structures, knowing what we are in, if it is impulse or correction. And as you can see, we have this impulse right here, right, and we have this correction. This is a correction, and this is the impulse, right? So if I should ask myself what phase of the market are we in, I'll definitely say we are currently in the impulsive phase. Okay, so market is making an impulse. So inside the impulse we have this impulse and correction, impulse and correction. So we have this impulse and this is a correction. Okay, so if we have something like this and then you see price coming down. Okay, so basically this is what I watch out for. And some candlestick formation on higher time frame plays out more than on the lower time frame, because on lower time frame there is a lot of noises in the market between the buyers and sellers. So most of the signals you're going to be getting from this candlestick might not always work. Okay, but on higher time frame it does going to give us a good opportunity. But you can see that this month right now we actually is actually showing a sign that the buyers are going to, or they are likely to gain control. Okay, they are likely to gain control of the market. So now let's go down to the weekly time frame. Okay, so this is weekly, right? This is weekly time frame. Today is Sunday, so market is going to open very soon. In a few hours from now, market is going to open. And if you look at this last week candle, you can see the massive rejection, and you can see that market actually closed with a bullish candle, right? So now if you look at what is happening, like I said, everything right here, so everything right here is all impulse, just as we've identified on the monthly time frame, right? So this means that everything we have right here is all going to be correction. And you know, I also identify this level as a support level. Basically, if you look at how we have this you know, this support trend line, you know, holding firmly, right? So all these are actually very necessary. Basically part of what I watch out for on the monthly is also a chart pattern, right? Because chart pattern are they are the direction of the market, while the candlestick pattern is also the language of the market. So one of the things I watch out for on this time frame is chart pattern. And we've also identified this is actually a triangle. You can see it looks like a triangle. Okay, this is a bearish triangle formation. If you are familiar with chart pattern, of course this is going to be you're going to understand what I'm saying. So you can see that we have our first touch on this support, this second touch of the support, and this is the third one. Okay, so I feel this is the reason why price is trying to hold on this support. You can see the intersection here. We have the structure, we also have the structure and the structure as well. So I feel this is the reason why price is actually holding stronger on this level. Okay, on this level right here. So now you can see how this last week candle actually closed with a massive rejection. It shows that buyers are actually, you know, they are actually ready to take price to the upside. But you have to understand that the overall formation, right, is still bearish, right? So on a short term, we can actually take advantage of a buy. So we're actually aiming for price to get back to this level, to this resistance trend line, you can see. And at the same time, price can also still head back to this main resistance. You can see this one right there. We can also still get back to it if the buying momentum or buying pressure is very strong. Then of course we are going to get there. Okay, but if you're to take a trade on this market, the first target is going to be this resistance right here, okay, which is something the market can actually achieve. Okay, so that is it. So let's go down to the daily, okay, because we have other markets that we want to talk about. So if you look at what we have on the daily time frame, you can see the massive rejection we had. So one of the reason why we added this to our watch list. Actually, we are on a trade on this market. We took a buy on this market last week, so we are going to see how this market is going to play out this week. And as you can see, I just circled out this particular rejection of this support level, right? The rejection was so big. So it's actually, the signs are just aligning up, right from the monthly down to the weekly and now to the daily time frame. And as you can see, price actually broke a particular structure. Of course, we might not be able to see the structure right now, the structure that I'm just highlighting now. We might not be able to see, but when we go down to the 4 hours, we are going to see it clearly. You can see that we have a candle that closed above that structure, and this was actually on Thursday, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it was on Thursday. The bullish candle was actually a Thursday candle, and you can see the Friday candle only served as a retest, okay, a retest of the broken structure. So we are expecting price to, so you can see we are expecting price to, so this is 4 hours time frame, so we're expecting price to actually continue. So we have a broken structure, a retest, and then a continuation to the upside. So you can see how we've been able to come right from the monthly time frame down to the weekly. All these things is just to help us gather enough data, enough when you want to place a trade, we don't just want to go on one time frame alone, because we might not be able to see the bigger picture. Having the bigger picture of what right now, if price actually, I know for sure the market might actually come to this level, and the reason why I was able to know is because I went from the higher time frame. This process is actually called a top-down analysis, and I told you earlier. And at the same time, I'm going to be dropping a video explaining everything that you need to know about top-down analysis. So if you don't want to miss that video, make sure you subscribe and join our Telegram channel. The link is going to be in the description, so that whenever we drop a new video, you are going to be the first to see the video, okay? And at the same time, we are going to be releasing more video often, so you all can stay informed with the forex market. So actually, the forex market is very interesting, but when you don't understand, when you do have a system that guides you through the whole trading process, trust me, it's going to be very frustrating. So this is the reason why basically, when it comes to our trading system, we've actually made it much more simplified. Okay, we've made it much more simplified, so that everyone can be able to understand the whole process. Okay, so now we are actually expecting price, as you can see, price has given us a retest, and we are expecting price to continue to the upside. And if you look at the continuation from here, we have this impulse, we have this correction, we have this impulse, we have this correction, we have this impulse, correction, and then we are going to have the next impulse. So we are going to see how this market plays out this week, right, this new week, because today is Sunday. And at the same time, this is also I think this is also head and shoulder pattern. We have the head, we have the left shoulder, and we have the right shoulder. Okay, so you can see that all these things are actually aligning up with each other to give us a very good chances of winning this trade. And at the same time, it also helps us to, it gives us an increase in the odds of winning. Okay, because we've been able to gather all the evidence from higher time frame down to the lower time frame. Okay, So if this video was very helpful, we are going to be dropping some other opportunities that we see. So if this video was very helpful, kindly give us a like on this video and make sure you subscribe. Okay, and at the same time, if you want to join our Telegram channel, the link is going to be in the description and in the comment section. All right, thank you guys. See you on the next video.